ReWaste repurposes plastic waste. So we help businesses divert their plastic from landfills, and we transfer it into 100% recycled plastic product. In our house, my wife and I, we have 3 young kids, and we produce so much plastic waste. And so it really started off with our own problem. It started off by melting plastic together in the garage between a griddle that you make pancakes on and an iron that you iron your clothes with. And from there, we just got a little bit more traction, and it's outgrowing what I ever expected it to be. I had no idea how much Goodwill does, and I don't think many people do. And one of the really good programs that Goodwill has is the Career Connections program. And for us, our whole business is around just creating a platform that will allow others to have opportunities. Through Goodwill Career Connections, we have 4 amazing volunteers that are working with Goodwill as well as ReWaste, and they're doing some meaningful and purposeful work.
We met them, and then we cycle this here.
It was up and down.
Yeah. And we have the lunch break.
We don't have a background in sustainability, waste and recycling. We have construction or oil and gas backgrounds, and it's just we have a unique perspective on what can be done with plastic. And so I figured if we're able to use some creativity to solve this problem, to impact the next generations, then that's what I'm motivated to do, and create a better life for my family and the next generations.